Hello, I am Brianna Hughes, the Principal Designer at Brianna Hughes Interiors. Are you ready to reimagine that place you call home? Let my team bring your vision to life. We are a full-service interior design firm located in Edmonton, Alberta. Creating your perfect living space is closer than you think. Our seamless process allows our clients to enjoy creating their dream home from start to completion. Our design concept phase involves meeting with clients to learn about their lifestyle, personal style, and dreams for their home. We then formulate a design plan complete with 3D renderings to capture our client's vision. We will work directly with the architect and builder, reviewing the plans, advising on layout, and infusing design elements. We complete the process by selecting furniture and accessories. Whether your dream is art from an up-and-coming local artist or importing a specialty tile from Europe, we will bring it to reality. We communicate with the client at each stage of the process to ensure their vision is accurately brought to life. Visit us online at briannahughesinteriors.com to learn more.